Avora London is marketed as a trendy men's fashion brand with bold streetwear designs. But the real question is it a legit store you can trust or one you should avoid? Here's what the evidence actually shows. What it claims to be. At first glance, Avora London presents itself as a UK-based fashion brand, selling modern streetwear and fitted clothing. A stylish, affordable alternative to bigger brands. Nothing unusual on the surface, but the customer feedback tells a very different story. Major red flags. 1. Extremely low trust rating. Across review platforms, Avora London has around 1.3 to 1.5 out of 5 stars. Roughly 80% of reviews are 1 star. That's a serious warning sign. 2. Reports of missing orders. Multiple customers say they paid but never received items. Orders stayed processing with no updates. Payment taken and then absolutely nothing. 3. Refund issues and no customer support. A very common complaint. Emails go unanswered. Refunds are not issued, even after returns. No refund, no response whatsoever. What you can realistically expect. If you order from Avora London, you might receive your item, but there's a high chance of delays, wrong or low-quality products. No support if something goes wrong. So, is Avora London real or fake? Short answer, it's a real website, but very unreliable and high risk. It's not completely fake. Orders do sometimes ship, but the pattern of complaints is consistent and serious. That combination strongly suggests it's not a trustworthy men's fashion store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.